We are still on the milestone counter, and what we need to do now is program the conditional formatting for this counter. You're going to right-click on the milestone counter and scroll until you get to conditional formatting. And conditional formatting, you remember, are rules that are applied to that cell or range of cells for how that cell should appear depending on what's in it. If you see now, right now, if the value of that cell is less than 30, then it should be red formatting with white letters. Let's click on that and you see if format of cells, if less than 30, formatting style is color, color is, fill color is red, and text color is white. You don't need to change any of that. I'm just showing you how that works. And if the value is equal to 30, it should change to green. And let's just test that really quick. If I was to manually type a 30 in there, which would be overriding its programming, then it turns green, because the value is more than 30. We'll go back to that conditional formatting, value is equal to 30. So I'm going to undo that, keyboard shortcut for undo, and all we're going to do is change these two rules to be the number of actual milestones in your unit. So in this case, there's 11 milestones this unit, so I need to change the value to less than 11. And if the value is equal to 11, it turns green. So the new rule is if the value in that cell is less than 11, then it should be red. If the value of that cell is equal to 11, it should turn green. That's it. Just change your milestone counter so that its values are tracking the actual number of milestones in that unit.